I'm going to use this Gucci blush, my ultimate beautiful blush ever so far, by far. So here you go. This is the color, guys. I like this color. I'm gonna use the mirror here. So small though. This is very small. Just put like this. Just around it. Or I can apply here too. It's like a youthful look like that. That's another tip. If you're like my age, if you're in my age, be a youthful sometimes. Okay? Alright, so that's the tips. Just kidding. Okay, guys, so that's all. So don't forget to like, share, and everything you can do for this content. I would be appreciated.